Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen.
Today I will show you my homemade shrimp with ground pork recipe. This is my personal recipe and it is absolutely delicious. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by removing the seeds from the mini sweet pepper and dice it. Next, cut the green onion. I'm using the white part only for this curve. Now let's prep the garlic. I'm parsing the garlic first because it makes peeling easier. Then mince it. The next step is to cook the ground pork. Add some oil in a hot wok and toss in the aromatas. Cook it to release the fragrance and add the ground pork. Once the ground pork has been browned, add oyster sauce and seasoning soy sauce. Mix it together and take it out. Then set it aside to cool down. Now strain the noodles. I soaked these noodles for half an hour before. Next, it's time to prep the shrimp. Start by peeling and deveining. Make sure to keep the tail while peeling. Then rinse off the shrimp. Now cut the hole through the middle. And put the tail through the hole. Next, bundle the noodles and place it around the plate. Then place the shrimp in the middle of each bundle. Let's get the steamer ready. Put the ground pork over the noodles and shrimp while waiting for the water to boil. Now put the dish in the steamer for 6 minutes and cover it. When the dish is ready, take it out and it's done!
Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! Wow, look! I'm so ready to try. It is savory and had a lot of flavor. The shrimp is cooked perfectly. I really like the noodles. So delicious. It's perfect for shrimp lovers. If you have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。